Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. If you are new to this channel, please make sure to subscribe. This video is the second part of my previous video, which was about create wall finishes by rooms using Dynamo. In this video, I'm going to create a new Dynamo script to make this task more customizable. Let's start. Here, this is a simple residential plan with different rooms. There are 9 rooms in this project. Open Dynamo first and create a new file. Here, I'm going to use two packages, data shapes and modelical. First, start by searching categories, then all elements of categories, all elements of category. In categories, search for rooms. Click rooms, then connect. When I click run, it shows 12 rooms, but I have only 9 rooms in the project. In next step, I'm going to remove unplaced rooms. For that, search room.location, then object is null, and filter by move mask. And connect this input, an element into list, bool into mask. That's it. When I click run, you can see it splits the unplaced and the placed rooms. I'm going to make this as group and give some title. For this one, remove unplaced rooms. That's it. In next step, I'm going to create room keys. For that, search for room.numbers, then room.name. To get levels, I'm going to use get parameters by get parameter value by name and room.height. That's it. To get levels, open code block and inside double quotes, search for level. Type level. That's it. Connect this out input out to all inputs and create a code block and type A plus inside the double quotes dash plus B plus inside the double quotes plus C plus inside the double quotes dash plus D and connect all these inputs. Now when I click run, it shows list of rooms in this order. I'm going to make this as group and name it as room keys. In next step, I'm going to create room list UI input. For that, search for list view data. This node is from data shapes. I'm going to give inputs. Open code block and inside the code block, inside the double quotes, type select rooms. And connect this into input name and these keys into keys and this out value into values. That's it. I'm going to make this as group and name it as room list UI input. In next step, I'm going to search multi-input form from the datashape package. For this, Connect this input into input and search for Boolean. Make this as true and connect it into toggle. Open code block. First, inside the double quotes, type select room and create wall finish. Select room and create wall finish. And enter. Inside the double quotes, select. Then inside the double quotes, cancel. Then 800 and 200. That's it. I think there is a problem. I missed the double quotes. That's it. Connect this input, select rooms and create wall finish into description. Then select into button text, cancel into cancel button text. Then width, label width. That's it. This one is main UI window. Now in model equal, go to element, then wall, get this node. This one is wall.wall finishes by rooms. To give these inputs, I'm going to inside the code block, type X, 0, and for wall finishes parameter, I'm going to search wall name. I'm going to type wall name. For finishes height parameter, type ceiling height. In previous video, I created the ceiling height for each rooms. Okay, let's connect these inputs. User input into X, then this into rooms, then wall name, then wall height, ceiling height. That's it. Our script is ready now. Let's check. This is our model. I'm going to run the script now. You can also run using Dynamo Player by save the script and open it on Dynamo Player. I'm going to run like now. When I click run, it opens a window with all the details which we have provided before. Now, if I click select all and select, it will create floor finishes for all rooms like previous tutorial. Now I'm going to select only specific rooms like kitchen and living room and entrance area and click select. So it's done. Now it creates floor finishes for the specific room which I have created. I'm going to click run again. Now I'm going to create wall finishes only for bathrooms, bathroom 2, bathroom 1 and bathroom 3 and click select. It's created. Okay guys, thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day. If you are new to this channel, please make sure to subscribe.